Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Mygov account. So a Mygov account is helpful because it lets you access different government services online in one place. So to begin, open up your browser and go to mygov.au, and on the home page select create account, and you may see the option to create an account using an email address or a digital identity. So for this guide, choose continue with email. And before you move forward, read the Mygov terms of use and privacy notice. So once you understand them, tick the boxes to agree, then select next, and now enter your email address. So make sure it is an email that you can access because MyGov will send a code there. Enter the code from your email, then select next. After that, you may be asked to add a mobile number. So since there is no phone number available for this step, select skip this step to continue. And if you do have a mobile number, you can enter select next and type in the code sent to your phone. Next, create your password. It needs to have at least 10 characters with at least one letter and one number. Then choose 3 secret questions and then enter your answers. So pick answers that are easy for you to remember but hard for other people to guess. So once everything is complete, your MyGov account will be created, and you will also receive an email with your MyGov username. Select continue to MyGov, and from there you can set up your sign-in options, inbox notification, or link your first service. So always remember to sign out when you're finished using your account. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.